Madam Chair, good sponsor, is about the salugpungan schools. Alam natin na itong mga salugpungan schools ay they are being run by the CPP-NPA, and during the last Congress, mainit ang bakbakan dito about this. And I was assured by the then Secretary, Madam Liling Briones, Secretary
Our distinguished colleague from Davao and Bohol, no other than Senator Bato de la Rosa, is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President, Majority Leader. Madam Chairman, good sponsor. Good afternoon po. First, short manifestation of support, manifestation of gratitude, and manifestation of appeal. Number one, I would like to manifest my support for the approval of the budget of DepEd. And number two, ako po'y nagpapasalamat from the bottom of my heart to our DepEd Secretary for forgetting about the confidential funds, and it spared the Senate from debates regarding this issue. Maraming salamat po. At number three, I would like to appeal to DepEd na sana to remind always their teachers about the legal doctrine of locus parentis, which emphasized the legal responsibilities of the teacher who are entrusted by the parents doon sa kanilang mga anak. And in line with this, remind ko rin sila, itong Article 218 of the Family Code, the schools, its administrators and teachers, or the individual entity or institution engaged in child care shall have special parental authority and responsibility over the minor child while under their supervision, instruction, or custody. Authority and responsibility shall apply to all authorized activities, whether inside or outside the premises of the school, entity, or institution. Kaya ko ito binanggit, Mr. President, dahil nga, sana, appeal ko sa kanila is that, Madam Sponsor, even without the confidential funds, sana siguruhin natin na wala na mga bata na ma-recruit ng CPP-NPA doon sa kabundukan at makipaglaban sa ating gobyerno at mamatay. Yun lang ang appeal ko, Mr. President, good sponsor, dahil nga, noong 18th Congress, the last Congress, no, we were together with a good sponsor nung nagkaroon tayo ng hearing about those missing minors. Lumalabas talaga sa investigation natin na ang mga bata na nawawala at napunta sa CPP-NPA ay nanggagaling dyan sa senior high school, grades 11 and 12, which is under the care of DepEd. So, Mr. President, good sponsor, sana isipin palagi ng mga teachers kung bilang second parents ng ating mga anak, these children are entrusted to them. Alam natin, during the hearing, palaging ini-emphasize ng mga school authorities na we cannot do otherwise because of academic freedom. They are free to choose kung gusto nila mag-rebelde or what. But sana, very clear dito sa ating family code na dapat may responsibilidad ng mga teacher pagdating sa pag-alaga ng ating mga kabataan. Kung ang parents ay ayaw na magiging rebelde ang kanilang mga anak, you, being the second parents, ay dapat ganun din ang paningin natin sa mga bata na dapat hindi ito ma-recruit ng CPP-NPA, hindi ma-radicalized, hindi ma-recruit, hindi aakyat sa bundok, mag-armas, lumaban sa ating gobyerno at mamatay na walang kasaysayan yung kanilang buhay. So yun lang po, good sponsor, ang aking apila sa ating Department of Education. Sana po nakikinig yung ating mga teachers ngayon. At sana, hindi na magdadang. Because we are on the last stretch of our campaign against this insurgency. Pero ngayon medyo nabuhayan sila. Nabuhayan yung mga komunista dahil nga parang lumalabas na talagang panalo sila. Nahinto nila yung DepEd from having their confidential funds which supposed to be used doon sa paghinto, sa paglaganap ng recruitment doon sa mga kabataan sa senior high school. And again, another topic, Madam Chair, good sponsor, is about the salugpungan schools. Alam natin na itong mga salugpungan schools ay they are being run by the CPP-NPA, and during the last Congress, mainit ang bakbakan dito about this. And I was assured by the then Secretary, Madam Liling Briones, Secretary Briones, na wala na daw existing na salugpungan schools ngayon sa buong Pilipinas. And I hope, kasi itong mga salugpungan schools na pinapatakbo ng CPP-NPA, NDF, ay ito yung nag-sprout dahil sa kawalan ng DepEd sa kanilang area. So sana lahat ng barangays mabigyan natin ng proper educational institution, particularly sa basic education. Dahil susulpot na naman itong mga salugpungan schools at kawawa ang ating mga bata at a very young age ay napupunta na sa armado ng CPP-NPA. Kasi nga, as you record, according to DepEd, 55 lumad schools operated by the Salugpungan Taitang Egkagunon Community Learning Center Incorporated sa 2019. I hope hindi na ito maibalik. And 12.3% of the rebels who surrendered in 2016 to 2020 were minors aged 12 to 17 years old. Ito mga edad na ito ay obviously nasa basic education ito na edad. So I hope, Madam Chair, good sponsor, through the DepEd officials, i-remind palagi natin yung ating mga teachers about the doctrine of locus parente. Maraming salamat, Mr. President, Madam Chair. Thank you po. Salamat.
Yes, just like to add that we support the efforts of Senator Bato and all the government agencies to reduce the insurgency in our country. But I would like to ask Senator Bato de la Rosa, did you accept the Vice President's invitation for you to climb Mount Apo?
Well, Mr.
There was a
President,
challenge.
Well, Mr.
Meron
President,
yatang Mount Apo challenge.
because of my eagerness to accept her challenge, na-overtrain ako, Mr. President. Nagkaroon ako ng injury dahil every morning nag-treadmill ako for more than 1 hour. Kaya ito ngayon, back to zero na naman ang preparation ko. But kahit na halos kalahati lang yung edad ng ating DepEd Secretary sa akin, lalabanan ko siya sa akyatan kahit saang bundok dito sa Pilipinas. Basta bigyan mo lang ako ng
Bawal
tamang
helicopter,
preparation.
Senator Bato. Lakad talaga.
Lakad talaga ito, Mr. President. Lakad talaga.
Sige.
Thank you.
Alright,
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Bato.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, next to